Just look at what I have here. It's a 1987 Mustang GT T-top car. Very rare find. I gotta tell you, going out on a limb, it's definitely the nicest one I've ever seen. It is completely restored. I'm telling you, the car is brand new, done right. It's in amazing condition. If you're looking for a Mustang GT, that's showroom quality. Runs and drives brand new. Everything works. Absolutely amazing in and out. Original window sticker. Tens of thousands of dollars was spent restoring this car. And again, it's brand new from top to bottom. Check it out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. I promise you can't find a nicer one. Listen to what I said. You can't find a nicer one. Absolutely beautiful. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.